rAVe Radio. With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves with Gary.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Rants and Raves. I'm Steph Beckett, and joining me is Fuhan Lee from Yealink. First of all, how are you doing? How is all of the ISC preparation going?
Great. Every department are working very hardly to prepare this important show.
Awesome. So Yealink has definitely been a brand that has been around in meeting room technology and in classrooms, and everyone who is watching or listening to this has definitely used or seen a Yealink product before, even if they haven't realized it. But you guys made some pretty major strides last year. So do you want to talk a little bit about the core product series you guys launched last year before we kind of get into what's going on this year?
Yeah, I think 2025 was a very big year for us since we launched several important product updates in different product lines, all built on the Yealink's 25 years in the user industry. Like the Meeting Board Pro is a great example. Customers really liked how integrated it, and it simplifies both collaboration for users and deployment for IT teams. And also our fourth generation of MVC series, Teams Rooms on Windows solutions, bring out the intelligent multi-lens and multi-camera solutions. At the same time, our A25 and A50 helped us cover a wide range of meeting rooms, from smaller spaces like focus room to larger rooms, while keeping deploying very simple and consistent. So many products was released in 2025, and we are excited to receive so many positive feedback from our customers.
Well, next question I have is, what kind of feedback from customers and users have you heard about the different products, and specifically like the Meeting Board Pro? Because I know that that's a big one for you guys.
Yeah. So the Meeting Board Pro has the 60 microphone built-in, so it has a very great performance in the noise cancellations, and it also has the 3 cameras built-in, so no matter where participants are sitting in the meeting spaces, they all have the clear images. So that is what we received. That is what we received most from our customers, and the most important part is it is a very simplified and integrated design for those powerful features. Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah. So in terms of what you guys are focusing on in 2026, I know that you guys are also leaning into how AI can be utilized in the meeting room space. I would love to hear a little bit about how Yealink is leaning into AI and how you're integrating that into your different products.
I think for us, AI is about making meetings feel natural and immersive. So we are integrated the AI features like the multi-camera IntelliFocus that have 4 speakers tracking room view, best viewing angle, all in one places. And since we have our own selling solution, so a precise camera speaker tracking driven by selling microphone is take the experience to the next level. The idea is that users don't have to think about the technology, it just works in the background. And the AI is not just for meeting experience, but also improving efficiency of solution design and deployment, that I will explain more about the AV1 solutions later.
Very cool. Can you talk a little bit about the MVC multi-camera solution too? I'm interested in that one.
Yeah, since the multi-camera solutions in our MVC, in 2025, we bring out the different kinds of solutions for different types of rooms. Like for the medium-sized room, we have the bar companion with the table camera which has the center view intelligent camera. So it can switch smoothly between two devices and provide the best angle for the participants. And for the larger size room, we have our multi-camera solutions that have 3 PTZ camera that has the best angle. They are deployed not just the front but also side wall, and so all this happens automatically, works smoothly behind the scenes. So they can give more immersive visual experience to our customers.
And they're very easy to use as well, while giving you that immersive experience. I think that that's an important part that I would like to talk about, is that it's very, very easy for the people in the meeting room to like use these products, and it look really professional, and it look like an immersive meeting experience.
Yeah, so since from the user's point of view, they don't have to worry about what kinds of layout they have to choose. We just provide the best one, and they're good to go. Yeah.
And I would love to talk about an open ecosystem a little bit, because how does that enhance flexibility in the meeting space, in classrooms, in any type of situation where you want to use multiple products or multiple lines? Or tell me a little bit about how that works.
Yeah, so I think you may point out to the Yealink AV1 solution. So this is a IP-based rAVe ecosystem that is open and simple and smart. So it is designed to work with modern enterprise environments, combine audio, video control, and management, are already validated to work together. So for the system integrators or customers, they don't have to worry about the compatibility issues of it. So, and what's especially valuable is we bring out the camera and microphone linkage into this kind of solutions. So the system handles speaker tracking and camera switching automatically, and which means less custom programming and more consistent results across rooms. And so AV1 enables standardized, repeatable deployments. It's faster and easier to scaling and installs. So that's what really helps integrators deliver reliable projects and protect their margins or improve the efficiency. Yeah.
Exactly. And another thing that I've noticed about Yealink in the research that I've been doing and in the stories that I've posted from you guys over the past year is that you guys are very committed to having secure products as well, which is also important in terms of like scalability and using these products like campus wide or something. So do you want to talk a little bit about your commitment to secure practices?
Yeah, security is a fundamental for us. So that's why we built our SAFER framework, SFAER, so which covers security across hardware, software, and the full product lifecycle. It's not an add-on; it's building from the start, from our system and hardware. Yeah.
Very cool. And so for the people who are coming to ISE, where can they see your products, and what kind of demos will people get to see at the show?
We'll have a panoramic meeting simulation zone in our booth, what we call the one-stop immersive workspace. So it's a chance to really experience the future of intelligent meetings in that place. And we suggest customers to book the rAVe room demo early. So the spots are limited. So and we can't wait to show what the latest progress we have to our customers.
Awesome. Well, last question I have for you, Fuhan, is where can people go to find more information on Yealink?
If you want to find more about the Yealink, please visit Yealink.com.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you guys at the show.
Yeah, great. Thank you.
This has been another episode of Rants and Raves. I'm Steph Beckett, and we will see you guys next time. Don't forget to go to ravepubs.com/ISC for all your ISC coverage. Bye.
Rave Radio. With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves.